Hey everybody, I'm Matt the Garden Guy. Do you want to grow tomatoes inside? So about every couple of weeks, I will go ahead and grab my mason jars and I'll do a clean out, a water clean out. We have some algae and film building up in here. I'm using these clear mason jars. I probably should have them covered. I'm still trying to figure that out, what's the best. But what I'm going to do is just take this out. Fortunately, I don't have any roots popping out yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and just dump the water, put this in the side, and we'll come back to it. Alright, so I went and grabbed another mason jar. Yeah, this is a gigantic one. Purpose of this is I want to put my net pot into that one so I can go ahead and start cleaning this jar out. Alrighty, so I'm going to just take these upstairs and I'm going to use the water to clean them out. I'm not using any soap at all. Just using hot water to get most of it out. I'll do this a few times. Then I'll go ahead and grab a paper towel. Just clean that film right off. Alrighty, and I'm not using any soap because I don't want to accidentally get too much soap in there and not clean it out and kill my plants. So I'm just using some really hot water. Alrighty. So I was thinking about it. I'm like, well, the kids probably have some construction paper. So I'm going to go ahead and try to line this construction paper around the jars. I bet you didn't know this was going to be an arts and crafts show too. Alright, back to arts and crafts with Matt the Garden Guy. Here you go. I don't like it, but I don't go about beauty. I'll go about results. So hopefully this will work. And I'm doing this because one of my followers told me about it. So thank you. And that's what helps people grow the food that they eat. Alrighty, it's time to do that to the rest of these guys. And the ones in here, these aren't too bad. Just that bok choys were pretty bad. And to be quite honest, it really makes sense because these are my grow jars from Modern Sprout. You could see my basil in here, my rocket basil. Their jars, their kits come pre-wrapped in this plastic film. Alrighty, and there's a quick little check-in on the indoor gardening. I got all of these in there. The lettuce over here on my click and grow system is doing good. I got to get a couple more pods going. I still got to do these two jars. These are my sweet peas, those are coming up. And then my patio peppers, you see right there. They are starting to rock and roll and germinate. My jazz microgreens here, these guys are pretty much ready, so we're going to get those harvested. And then I'm going to go ahead and start one of my big flat trays right there with microgreens. Follow along. We'll talk to you later, and always keep growing, guys.